Welcome to the latest update program of Drishti IAS. In this series, the topic of discussion is Bimal Patel of India elected for UN's ILC. Professor Bimal Patel has been elected to the International Law Commission or ILC for a 5-year term. He is the Vice-Chancellor, Rashtriya Raksha University and a member of the National Security Advisory Board of India. Mr. Patel garnered 163 votes in the UN General Assembly out of 192 members present and voting. He topped the Asia-Pacific group that included candidates from China, South Korea and Japan. His term will start from January 2023. Mr. Patel is an esteemed educationalist, jurist and administrator. He has served in various roles such as Director at the Gujarat National Law University, member of the 21st Law Commission of India, and worked for 15 years at global organizations such as United Nations of Youth and the Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons. The ILC or International Law Commission was established by the General Assembly in 1947. Note that the ILC held its 72nd session from 26 April to 4 June and from 5 July to 6 August 2021.